Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, October 22, 2024. The Jamaican government has secured a loan worth $12 million for the design and development of a new park along downtown Kingston's waterfront. The loan agreement was recently signed with the World Bank Group's International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. The park is expected to enhance the aesthetics of the waterfront, stimulate business interest, and promote community development.
By making such a significant investment downtown to put a park, it is going to incentivize commercial developers, real estate developers to follow behind this investment of the government, and in so doing, revitalize the space of downtown. This is a game changer and a means of demonstration that we are leveraging economic stability in the people's interest.
The proposed park will feature a range of recreational facilities, including bicycle paths, playgrounds, sports grounds, in addition to street furniture, benches, and landscaping. World Bank Country Director for Latin America and the Caribbean, Lilia Barunchik, explains that the project's first phase will focus on park design and construction.
But I would like to highlight that it's not only about infrastructure. As I already mentioned, it's actually about creating thriving neighborhoods. It's about creating a thriving economic space. So it will include adaptable markets. It will include event spaces for art and entertainment, music, which is so essential for Jamaica, providing local entrepreneurs with income-generating opportunities.
Phase 1 of the project is scheduled to take place from 2024 to 2029, with a commitment to begin Phase 2 in 2025, extending to 2030. The Urban Development Corporation, UDC, and the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JIS, will oversee the implementation of the project. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says the government continues to prioritize disaster risk financing to strengthen Jamaica's ability to respond to and recover from natural disasters. Dr. Holness says these financial measures will enable the government to manage and recover from the impact of frequent weather events associated with climate change, which would otherwise derail national plans and programs.
We have taken an entirely different approach to the management of your affairs. So what we have done is to create buffers in our budget to be able to address the high frequency but low severity events.
The Prime Minister was addressing the inaugural International Climate Change Conference held at the University of Technology last Thursday. He highlighted proactive steps taken by the government to fortify Jamaica's ability to respond and recover from disasters. These include establishing a disaster recovery fund and a contingency fund. The government has also embarked on other initiatives, such as the Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility and the Catastrophe Bond. As the nation celebrated National Heroes Day on Monday under the theme One Love, One People, One Heritage, 232 persons were bestowed national honors and awards. The ceremony was held at the National Indoor Sports Complex, where 8 persons were appointed as members of the Order of Jamaica. For contribution to national development across various disciplines, 68 persons were given the Order of Distinction, 30 in the rank of Commander, and 38 in the rank of Officer. Another 70 were recognized by the government for both meritorious and long and faithful service. The uniformed groups, which comprise 83 members from the Jamaica Defense Force, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the Jamaica Fire Brigade, and the Department of Correctional Services, were also acknowledged for their years of service. Meanwhile, 3 brave, outstanding citizens were awarded the Badge of Honor for Gallantry, one posthumously.
Oftentimes, things happen, whether it's a motor vehicle accident or whatever it is. And the first thing a person thinks of is to take a phone and take some pictures or do a video. And that does not help the situation, none at all. Because sometimes the time where you're taking to do that, you could have helped the person. Just glad to know that it has reached this far, to know that persons can do good, and it's good to do good. in spite of, you might don't have the resources or whatever, but sometimes just lending out a helping hand, you never can tell.
In his address to the nation on Monday, the Prime Minister announced that the government would be introducing a new national award, the Order of National Icon. This will follow the Order of National Hero and will be ranked the second highest award. This new prestigious award will recognize individuals who have made significant contributions to Jamaica's cultural heritage. The first recipients of this honor will be the Honorable Louise Bennett Coverley, Miss Lou, and the Honorable Robert Nestor Marley. Prime Minister Holness says preliminary work is complete and the legal process to confer this award is underway.
Both Miss Lou and Bob Marley stand as towering figures in the preservation and global elevation of Jamaica's cultural heritage. Miss Lou's work in promoting Jamaican patois and folk traditions has cemented her as a pioneer of our national identity, while Bob Marley's music transcended borders, making him an international ambassador of reggae and a symbol of resistance to oppression and a beacon of unity and love.
Meanwhile, leader of the opposition, Mark Golding, says the Heroes Day theme, One Love, One People, One Heritage, is a reminder of the unifying power of love that enables us to derive strength from our diversity. He asserts that our national creativity is the source of our greatness as a people.
It is the source of the resilience, confidence, and love that create for us the unlimited opportunities of the present. And their legacies continue to inspire us with hope in the greatness of our future. Our brilliant achievements in culture, sports, academics, governance, and various professional pursuits are lasting tributes to those who paved the way for us.
And finally, also on Monday, was the Wreath Laying ceremony at the National Heroes Park. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness was among those who placed flowers at the shrine of the Right Excellent Sir Alexander Bustamante. Tribute was also paid to the Right Excellent Norman Manley by Leader of the Opposition, Mark Golding. Meanwhile, Chief Justice Brian Sykes paid tribute to the Right Excellent Sam Sharp, President of the Senate Tom Tavares Finson to the Right Excellent Paul Bogle, and Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport Olivia Grange to the Right Excellent George William Gordon. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.